What's up, guys? Fresco BK live here at Stadium Goods. We are located on 47 Howard Street, and that's Manhattan, Soho area. So make sure that you guys pull up. But I got a special unboxing look for you guys today. We just recently unboxed the black and red colorway in the not for resale Air Jordan 1, and we have the LA exclusive black and yellow not for resale Air Jordan 1. I know for those who are out at Complex Con, shouts out to you guys. Maybe you picked up a pair, maybe you didn't, but we are gonna unbox them right here at Stadium Goods. So say less with all this talking, we getting straight to these shoes. So, classic Air Jordan 1 box top, and please let me know what you guys think in the comments of which one is your favorite. We go in the black and yellow, or we go in the black and red, but here we have the Air Jordan 1 not for resale LA exclusive. So, like I mentioned earlier, the people that were out at Complex Con, these were limited edition to LA only from what I hear. If I am wrong, please let me know in the comments. But we have the upper here, which features the sail in the toe box area. So you'll see sail hits throughout the entire shoe on this outer panel here. Also in the midsole. Midsole also features the not for resale, of course. We have the classic Air Jordan 1 Wings logo. This comes with an additional yellow set of laces, but also features the black laces that are on the shoe. And as we all know, most Air Jordan 1 styles, as you see with this right foot here, they come unlaced. So most of the Air Jordan 1 styles come unlaced, so make sure that yours come unlaced, but we have these laced here. And of course, as you can see, the wear on the tongue area of the right foot, me. So wear me right there. And then in the toe area, we'll see the please crease. Please on the left foot, crease on the right foot. Back panel here reads no photos, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna show you guys the outsole, full yellow, classic Jordan 1 outsole with the Nike right there in the mid area. And we're gonna get to the insoles, which read no on the left foot and L's on the right foot. Yes, I know you guys know how to read. I was reading in the comments. This is not a read along. We're just talking about these shoes. But one last detail reads, sorry, this pair isn't numbered on the left foot. And on the right foot reads general release. So I'll give you guys one last look at the not for resale Air Jordan 1, the black and yellow colorway, LA exclusive. So I've got the black and red colorway that we just recently unboxed, and I got this one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments of which one is your favorite. You know I always have to choose at the end, so I may lean towards the black and yellow. This is actually really dope. Makes me think of Wu-Tang, so shout out Wu-Tang. But we have these styles along with a variety of other Air Jordan 1s right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located at 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Make sure that you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. If you have any questions or inquiries regarding Stadium Goods, please visit stadiumgoods.com. And last but not least, follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.